Hey there, food service folks. Have you ever found yourself staring at your TouchBistro menu, wondering how to make those changes you've been meaning to? Maybe you're adding a new seasonal item, removing a discontinued dish, or just want to give your menu a fresh look. Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to dive deep into how to update your TouchBistro menu like a pro. Let's start with a question. Have you ever had a guest ask for something that's not on your menu, and you knew it would be a hit, but you couldn't add it because, well, you didn't know how? Or maybe you've been putting off updating your menu because it seemed too complicated. Fear no more. We're about to demystify the process and make it a breeze. Before we jump into the steps, let's talk about why it's so important to keep your menu updated. For starters, it ensures that your guests have a variety of options to choose from. It also helps you stay competitive in your market. And let's not forget about those seasonal ingredients and limited-time offers. A well-maintained menu can be a powerful tool to attract and retain customers. Step-by-step guide. Now, let's get down to business. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to update your TouchBistro menu. Log in to your TouchBistro. The first step is to log into your TouchBistro system. Make sure you're using the correct credentials. Navigate to the menu screen. Once you're logged in, locate the menu screen. This is usually found in the main navigation bar. Select the menu you want to edit. If you have multiple menus, e.g., dine-in, takeout, select the one you want to work on. Create a new item. To add a new item, click on the Add Item button. You'll be prompted to enter details such as the item name, description, price, and category. Edit an existing item. If you want to modify an existing item, simply click on it. You can then make changes to the name, description, price, or any other relevant details. Organize your menu. Once you've added or edited items, you can rearrange them to your liking. Drag and drop items to move them up or down the menu. Add images. To make your menu more visually appealing, you can add images of your dishes. This can help customers visualize the food and make better decisions. Manage categories. If you have a large menu, it's helpful to organize your items into categories. This makes it easier for customers to find what they're looking for. Preview your menu. Before making any changes permanent, it's a good idea to preview your menu. This allows you to see how it will look to your customers. Save your changes. Once you're satisfied with your menu, save your changes. This will ensure that your updates are reflected in your system. Additional tips. Use high-quality images. When adding images to your menu, make sure they are clear and well-lit. Keep your menu simple. Avoid overwhelming your customers with too many options. A well-curated menu is easier to navigate. Consider your customers' preferences. Think about the tastes and preferences of your target audience when creating your menu. Regularly update your menu. Keep your menu fresh and exciting by regularly adding new items or making changes to existing ones. And there you have it. Updating your TouchBistro menu doesn't have to be a daunting task. By following these steps and incorporating our tips, you can create a menu that is both visually appealing and informative. Remember, a well-maintained menu can significantly impact your business's success. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and give it a try. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to TouchBistro support or leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching. We hope this video has been helpful. If you found it valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy menu making.